Buying a new house involves lots of moving parts, and one of those is the type of mortgage loan you are applying for. Each customer and their needs are greatly different, and we have a variety of loan programs, products, and types to best fit your unique situation. We've gone through the entire home buying process from the consultation and pre-approval all the way to closing day and beyond. But what we haven't covered are the different products and programs available for you when you apply for your mortgage. What's super important to remember though is you are not responsible for knowing the best program for you. Your loan officer is there to advise you on the best option, again, for your unique situation. In this video, we will briefly touch on the wide range of mortgage loan products available for homebuyers, who they are best suited for, and how they could be the best option for you and your home buying journey. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content about mortgage loans and home financing. The first product we're going to talk about are conventional loans. Conventional home loans are not insured by the federal government, as opposed to government-insured loans, which we'll discuss later. Conventional mortgages, whether they are conforming or not, typically require a higher down payment. However, these loan options offer more flexibility with fewer restrictions. There also are a variety of programs within conventional loans to assist those buyers wanting to use less money down. Conventional mortgages often meet the down payment and income requirements set by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac and conform to the loan limit set by the Federal Housing Finance Administration, or FHFA. Each year, FHFA evaluates the market to determine the conventional conforming loan limits and the conventional high balance limits. In 2021, the limit for conventional conforming loans was raised to $548,250 for single-family conforming loan properties. This loan option is best for families or individuals with strong credit scores and sizable savings for their down payment. No, this does not mean 20%. It just means more than perhaps a government-backed loan. These loans are also available for buyers looking to buy second homes or investment properties. Okay, now let's talk about government loans. Government-backed loans are insured by government agencies such as the Federal Housing Administration, the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, and the U.S. Department of Agriculture. All of these loan products were established by these government agencies in the hopes of making home ownership more affordable and tangible for people in very specific situations. Let's first start by talking about the FHA loan. The FHA loan is backed by the Federal Housing Administration, or FHA, and are targeted towards first-time homebuyers and lower-income families requiring a minimum down payment of 3.5%. Have slightly more relaxed credit requirements, and they still have incredibly competitive rates. The VA loan is backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. VA loans are made specifically to help active duty service members and veterans achieve home ownership. This loan product can dip down to a 0% down payment in the hopes of helping those that have sacrificed so much. USDA loans. The USDA loan is backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and they are geared specifically towards homes designated as rural. You do have to live in an area designated by the U.S. Department of Agriculture as an USDA eligible area, and you can't just choose this loan should you think your home happens to be in a rural area. It must qualify. This loan also dips as low as 0% for down payment for borrowers, making it easier, again, for lower income families to find and obtain the homes of their dreams. Each of these products work to help specific subsets of buyers and have different requirements that must be met to use them for your mortgage. You also have a variety of components that go into each of these loans, but you do not have to worry about this. Your loan officer will know all of the ins and outs and ensure you feel comfortable, educated, and prepared when it comes to picking your loan product. If you are looking for more information on any of these types of loans or which one might be best for you, head to our website at fairwaymidatlantic.com and contact one of your loan officers. In addition to our conventional conforming and high balance loans, as well as our government-backed loans, there are specialty products that loan officers can also offer you. Non-conforming loans are exactly what they sound like. These loans are ones that exceed the conforming and the high balance loan limits set by FHA and are oftentimes called jumbo loans. If you're looking to buy a more expensive home, have a strong debt to income ratio, and a very high credit score, this might be the loan for you. These loans are sold to private investors instead of to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which is why they are outside of conforming or high balance conforming loans. Another specialty product is renovation loans. These loans can be used specifically for homes that need some fixing up. If you find yourself falling in love with a home that needs some love or a complete makeover maybe, there are several renovation loan options that factor in the cost of repairs of the home into your loan amount. The last type of specialty loan is a reverse mortgage. A reverse mortgage is targeted towards those 62 and older and can help you really age in place. That is a brief overview of the most common mortgage products available to finance your home. While we know that this is a lot of information and may seem way more confusing than where you began, we promise that finding the right loan officer will help you feel comfortable with whatever loan product is best suited for you and your situation. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give it a thumbs up or a quick comment so we know how we can keep bringing you content all about home financing that works for you. If you're interested in starting the home buying journey, you can head to our YouTube channel and watch all of our videos and then head over to the website and contact one of your loan officers. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next week.